Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back, you guys. So today I'm showing you how I did these nails. These are super long XL poly gel nails. I did these about 8 weeks ago. So listen, look at the grow out. Look at it. You couldn't tell me nothing, okay? You couldn't tell me nothing. These nails were long, they were blingy, and I got so many compliments on them. I really did. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I used. Okay, let's get into the products. Let's get into it. So I got a box from Naio Nails about 2 years ago, okay? So I'm embarrassed to even share my affiliate link because it might not even be working anymore. So if you don't see it in the description box, well, that's why, okay? So again, I got this box about 2 years ago, but I've just been so busy. I have not opened it. I have not used it. And honey, here we are today, okay? We're going to put this 2-year-old PR package to the test. Like, what can I say? So we got base coat, we have top coat. Now this is the spatula that I'm showing you, and it's really cute. You know, it's cute. It has a little cover, but I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I know with the PR boxes you're supposed to say what you like, but I don't like it. I don't like a separate spatula from my brush. I kind of want the brush and the spatula in one unit, but you know, to each his own. So here is the brush, and you see what I mean? There's no lid to the brush. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in a comment. Do you like a separate brush and spatula, or do you just want one unit where the brush and the spatula is on one stick and you could just like use one tool? Just let me know. Okay, let me know. All right, so moving on. Look how nice these colors look. Look how nice they look. I went ahead and swatched them, and I'm going to cure them. Now, while they were in the oven baking, I realized some of them glow in the dark. What? So low key, I was just surprised that the polygel was actually squeezing out of the tube and not like hard, because again, this is a 2-year-old PR package. So the 3 colors that glow is Limelight, Lighten Up, and Illuminate. Those 3 colors light up, and I just love a good glow in the dark moment. I really, really do. All right, so in addition to the Illuminous collection, we also have a thermochromic collection. So these change colors, and I really think that's cool. We have Show Off, Wake Up, and Sunrise. So these 3, it looks like it turns to like a pearly white when it gets warm. So the last 2 is Marry Me and Winter Tan, and those are nude, and I really like those. So here's what the colors look like again. Love, 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 love. Let me know your favorite collection. Do you like a glow in the dark? Do you rather like the thermochromic? Or do you like some regular old polygel? You don't need your polygel to do anything special. Let me know in the comment section below. So right now I'm prepping my nails. Nothing special. I pushed the cuticles back, and now I'm removing the shine. I do have a full prep video, but today I just did a really quick, simple prep. I didn't think that the nails were going to stay on as long as they did, but they did. So shout out to you, Nails. Like, for real. Again, these products were sent to me 2 years ago, okay? Nail tips, I got these from Makartt. And so the main thing with the nail tips, you want to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. Make sure that it completely covers your nail. The other important thing is that you etch the inside of the entire nail. So I'm using a very mild drill bit. Use what you have. Use what you have, right? Don't spend any money getting anything special, but the milder, the better. So you just want to etch the inside of the nail tip. That way the polygel does not separate from the nail tip, okay? So I have my nail tips prepped and ready to go. I'm adding primer. So I don't really have a favorite primer at the moment, but if you guys are in the market for a new primer, I would suggest trying No Lifts Nail Primer. You can find it right on Amazon, and y'all already know if the product is easy to find. If the product is on Amazon Prime, it is the product for me. So if you're in the market for a new primer, I will leave the link in the description box, all right? So I added the primer, and now I'm going in with the base coat. Again, this base coat is old, okay? Old, but she was still hanging on. She was still doing what she needed to do. I even did my other hand off camera just to make sure. And listen, the base coat and the polygel was giving what they needed to give. Okay, so here we are. I was able to continue on with the video. I applied the base coat to my nails and then I cure them in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Once those are fully cured, they're going to be sticky, so make sure that you don't like touch them or hit them on anything. Be very careful, right? Apply the polygel into the nail tips and then just put a little bit of base coat right on top. So the base coat's just going to allow you to maneuver the polygel, so that it's easy to work with. So notice that I do have a gap. Notice that I left a little space at the cuticle area. That's so when I apply the nail tip to my nail, there's no flooding, right? That minimizes the flooding of the polygel out and about. Okay, so if you're having an issue with flooding around the cuticle areas or having an issue keeping your nails neat, try to leave a little space at the cuticle area free of polygel. That way the polygel will fill that space as you start to maneuver it on your nails. Okay, so here we go, you guys. Once the nails are curing in the lamp, we have to sing. Papa in the oven, Papa in the oven, Papa in the oven. I let her bake, bake, bake. What she doing? Bake, bake, bake. What she doing? Bake, bake, bake. So same thing. We're going to apply the polygel right into the nail tip. And then for my slip solution, I'm going to use the base coat. And I just like to apply a little bit of that base coat right onto the polygel. It makes it very pliable, and it makes it just very easy to use, very easy to maneuver, and it doesn't leave it sticky or too dry or milky or anything like that. So very important, like I said, very important. You want to smooth the polygel out, but I'll show you what I do if for some reason it's not as smooth as I like it to be. So I'll show you how to fix it, but for now, just really focus on trying to make it as nice and smooth and neat as you can. So if you have to play around with it for a while, listen, you play around with it. And this ring finger actually, I cut some of it out for the sake of the video, but I really had to play around with it for some time. It just was not being friendly for whatever reason. Sometimes it's like that. And yeah, I played around with it until finally it was decent. Yeah, but I have the luxury of cutting that out so you guys aren't bored with the amount of time that it actually took me. But the main takeaway I would say from doing this technique is leaving a gap at the cuticle area without polygel. That way when you apply it to the nail, it's not oozing, right? The second takeaway would be to smooth it out. Once you put the nail on your nail plate, if it takes you a long time to smooth it out, it's just going to have to take a long time. Notice how I'm laying it on the table. If you have to lay it on the table, just make sure you're not pressing too hard. If you press too hard, then it actually defeats the purpose, because then the nails will shift, the polygel will start to bunch up and clump up, and it's just going to be a hot mess. So very, very light pressure when you're using the table to stabilize your nail. So once your nails are cured, they will be sticky, and that's fine. That's normal. So you're going to use alcohol. I just happen to have this residue cleaner, and it's basically just alcohol anyway. So I put it in my spray bottle and I sprayed it on my nails, and I'm just brushing away that sticky residue that gel leaves behind. So remember when I said if it's lumpy under there, you could fix it? So this is what I do. I have a mild grit arbor band, and I have it on a low speed, and I'm just sanding away any imperfections that could be underneath my nails, okay? Because we're human and we're all going to have them. Now, I must say, the good thing about doing your nails this way is that if they're lumpy, bumpy, or uneven, it's underneath. So no one's really going to pay attention to underneath your nails. You know what I mean? So just file it to your comfort, whatever that might be. Honey, my nails was looking good on the top and looking good on the bottom. I felt just oh, I just had a whole slay moment. For the whole 8 weeks, for the whole 8 weeks that these polygels stayed on my nails, expired or not, right? They really did what they were supposed to do. Okay, so just like with any other set of nails, I do like to have my hand file and I go around the cuticle area just to make sure if there's any gel or polygel that may have oozed out during the curing process. I like to use the file and just clean that up. And so now, because I do intend on polishing and doing a little bit of nail art, I am buffing away the shine. If you just want it to rock out, honey, if you want it to just rock out, you're good to go. Like, you could skip this step. You're out. Peace out, right? But if you want to add polish to the top of your nails, you do have to buff away the shine. Otherwise, the gel would not stick. It'll go on and peel right off. But these nails were long, and I actually like them long and matte. Long and matte is a vibe. Long matte nude nails is a whole vibe. I'm only polishing these seriously and honestly for the video, because long matte nude nails, I was ready to get up from the table and be done. But for the sake of the video, I just wanted to do something quick and simple, because we were going out of town and I just needed my nails done. But it was like an outdoorsy type trip, so I didn't want to do something too elaborate, right? But I still needed my nails done. Hello. So here we go. Here we are. I am going to do my favorite thing. You guys already know what I'm going to do. Like, I'm going to pull out my fan brush and I'm going to sweep my way into a beautiful ombre. Oh my gosh. When I'm doing polish, like, if I do not pull out my fan brush, something is wrong. This is my favorite thing to do. I love it. It's simple. You can do it with 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, and I love it. So basically, I added the base coat first, and I did that so that when I added the other colors, the other 2 colors, the clear base coat would allow the colors to blend and sweep down the nail. So that's why I added the base coat and then added the other 2 colors. So yeah, you could replace the clear base coat with any color of your liking. But oh, that just gave a really beautiful ombre. I just love it. And then I'm going in with a solid yellow, because this yellow was gorgeous. This yellow was so beautiful. And I actually got a yellow flower. Oh, if I could find the picture, I'll insert it. But Aunt gave me a yellow flower on the trip, and it just matched my nails so perfectly. So yeah, that was cute. Okay, so now I'm going in with stickers. I don't need stickers, okay? I was happy. I was happy with the long nude matte moment. That gave me all the life I needed. Long matte nude. I was happy. But for the sake of the thumbnail, I pulled out some stickers. Okay, so here we go. And the thing I like about these stickers is that they're actual stickers. I don't need to put them in water. And I don't need to use like transfer foil glue, like that whole bit. It works and it's beautiful, but y'all know sometimes that be annoying. Y'all know that be annoying. So if I could just find a sticker that just goes on, I don't have to do anything extra, I'm like, yes, I'm all about it. So I put the stickers on, I applied some base coat on top of that to seal it in, and I cured the base coat. I know that the bling was optional, but I went ahead and did the bling. You know what? I'm like, you know what? Thumbnail. I need a thumbnail. So bling. Let's go. And I applied some bling. Going in with the top coat. Listen, expired or not, old PR package or not, everything worked and it worked great. I'm not condoning the use of old products, but y'all let me know in the comment section below. What would you have done? Would you have used this, or would you have been like, nope, this is old, it's expired, I'm tossing it in the trash? Because let me tell you something. If you would have tossed it in the trash, I'm going to send you my address. You could toss it my way instead, okay? Because this polygel, everything worked great. It worked great. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you guys. Bye.